What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela Altieri. If this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today's video, since Christmas is coming along in 2 months, I thought I should, just make a few videos on what's in my wish list for multiple stores. Today's video will be my Sephora wish list, honey. Oh, yowzers. For my family watching, pay attention. I'll link these things, or I'll put the names of them down below, and you know where to find them. Okay, just putting that as a disclaimer. I thought it'd be interesting to show everyone what I'm looking forward to hopefully getting, or maybe I'll save to get it myself, or what I'm just wanting in general, just for the sake of wanting it. But yeah, if you're interested in what's in my Sephora wish list or Sephora checkout bag, then let's get it. Okay, what should we start with? Oh, there's so many things. Okay, non-beauty related products, let's go to hair. I want the Briogeo. I don't know how to put the picture. I'll definitely put the name and I'll try to put the picture up, but I want the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. The bottle is super cute. It's a little bear, and I don't know, I love hair products. I love Briogeo. I love their banana shampoo and conditioner, and my shampoo is running out a lot faster than the conditioner, so that's definitely going into my shopping cart, but I'll be willing to buy that on my own ASAP. Then the Yves Laurent Libre, but they're French. I don't know. Libre Eau de Parfum Travel Spray. Let's look at the notes, honey. The notes are lavender essence, orange blossom, and musk accord. Will I get it? I don't know. But then there's also the Sephora Favorites perfume samplers. There's a Holiday Deluxe Mini Coffret set for $75, and you get deluxe mini sample sizes of, let me just spill the tea on it. You get Giorgio Armani Si Fiori Eau de Parfum, Tory Burch Signature, Atelier, Cologne Clementine California, Dolce Gabbana Dolce Garden, Tom Ford Black Orchid, and Versace Dylan Blue for her. So you get the little deluxe, and then you get a certificate for a full size. But the full size is 1 ounce, and 1 ounce for one of these perfumes, since they're higher end, more luxury, is about $75 to $90. So there's that option. I think that's a nice way to try out different scents, and then get a bigger size of what you would want to keep. I love perfume. As a heads up, I have a whole drawer of samples, and I have my perfumes here. I love perfumes. I wish I was someone who could find a scent and say, okay, that's it, that's my signature scent. There's certain perfumes I wear all the time, like Tease by Victoria's Secret. That's something I wear all the time, but I still love buying different things. I don't know, I love perfume. I wish I could just have one and oh wow, it smells like Angel. You know what I mean? But I don't do that because I love perfume. I guess skincare is the this is not skin, this is lip care. Whatever. This is the Olehenriksen Lucky Pucker Lip Scrub. Oh, what's her name? I was gonna say Camoni. That's not Camoni, bitch. Kathleen Lights was raving about it. I don't really like cinnamon scents, but if it's an apple pie scent in products, then maybe I can be okay with it. And it doesn't have beeswax, so it might be a product I can use. I'm allergic to beeswax. If I put it on my lips, I get a rash and little bumps, so it's not good for me, which is unfortunate because my favorite lip gloss, I think it's my favorite. The smell is so amazing. The Dominique Cosmetics glosses have beeswax, and I'm allergic, but I'm not getting rid of them. But yeah, I love lip scrubs. Love trying out new lip scrubs because my lips be dry. They're not even dry. They just always peel. and it's frustrating. But yeah, I wanted to try that out. What else is like not makeup? The Farsali Skin Goals. Why am I saying that so strangely? The Farsali Skin Goals Blur, Prime, Hydrate, and Soothe like mini set comes with the Unicorn Essence, Skin Tone Blur, which I really want to try, Rose Gold Elixir, which I have full size, and the Volcanic Elixir, which I'm afraid of because people say it smells, but I think it's a cheaper alternative to try all of their little oils and see which one you like. So I wanted to try that out. And then, okay, and then the, I want this so badly, Patrick Ta Major Glow on the Go. This is a set of his body oil in a dream and lip shine in She's Expensive. His body oil, I think it has the best smell. It's very unique and like adult sexy. I love it. It smells so good, and everyone raves about the lip gloss, so I really want to try the lip gloss, and I think it's a very good price in my humble opinion. Then honey, listen, it's not summer, but I still want things that glow. Why? I don't know. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna mini body luminizer in Who Needs Clothes. I do. But yeah, it's a mini size. $24 is still a little expensive for something that's a mini. I mean, the ColourPop ones are what, $12, or was it 16? Definitely still cheaper than this, but a lot more product, probably double the product or triple even. But nevertheless, it's free, so I want to try it. Because I don't want a full size. I know I'm not going to go through anything full size. Like, I'll buy the ColourPops full size because they're a lot cheaper, and me not getting through it hurts less. So that's my reasoning. Now we're gonna do the maquillaje. I want the mini loose highlighter set from ABH. $48 is it for 3 highlighters. That's expensive. Like, this is something in theory I would want and would be a really cute gift from someone, but damn, that's expensive. $48. Like, how big? I would like to see how big the components are. I wouldn't even use Snowflake. That's way too icy. I'm way too tan and luscious for that, okay? But the other two, So Hollywood, that looks so pretty, and Sunset Aura looks really pretty. Like, those are two that I can mix together and they look nice on the face. In theory, I would want it. I don't even know if I would like purchase it myself if I had the bread. Yeah, but I mean, I don't. You know, what can you do? Anything ABH. Let me go in like brand order, you know. Now we have Artist Couture. I want one of their Diamond Lights finishers, particularly Diamond Bronze. If you've seen these, oh my gosh, when like Desi wears them, her eyes look like shimmer. Like I can't sing that because copyright. Will I have that problem? Probably not, but whatever. I think they are so pretty, so sparkly, so shiny. Do I wear shadows like that all the time? No, I don't, but I want to. So I want one of these because they look so pretty. And for the colors, there's let me look. There's Icy, which is like too cool tone. I don't like anything too yellow, so golden hour. Spotlight is pretty. And then Nebula, I don't like. Not that I don't like it, but like I don't need something like a blue purple shift dual chrome. So then we get left with the bronze. So let me a good bronze, honey. Next is the Lilly Lashes Triple X Mascara. Laura Lee said she really liked it and it did something for her lashes. And that says a lot because she's on the struggle bus. And I mean, why am I always buying mascara? I don't know why I'm always buying mascara. I'm looking for like the one, like, wow, pow, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am mascara. Haven't really found it yet, but whatever. Next is the Jouer Cosmetics Powder Highlighter in Citrine, which is a shimmering gold. You know, I love a shimmering gold. If you looked at my highlighter collection video, I swatched this in store and I was like, wow. So buttery, so soft, so pretty. That was so good. So good. I don't really have anything Jouer. I have one lip liner that's from Jouer. And from them, I would also like the Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. Kathleen really likes this powder. Says it's very blurring, and who doesn't want to be blurred? I think that would be amazing. Then there is the Fenty Beauty Balm Baby 2 Mini Lip Gloss and Highlighter Set. How pretty does this look? A mini kilowatt volt freestyle highlighter in Sandcastle metallic bronze. Let me look at this close. Metallic bronze. That's a metallic bronze. That ain't no metallic bronze. I don't know who's putting the shade descriptions. That's pink. Maybe that's pink. I don't see nothing bronze about that. Maybe it's different in person. Either which way, it looks beautiful and I want it. But it's not bronze. And I love the Fenty gloss bombs. This one's in the shade Sweet Mouth. Ooh, I like that. Shimmering soft pink. Now you're gonna tell me, you're gonna describe the gloss as pink, but you're not gonna describe the highlighter as pink? Any which way. Next. Then for, you know, shits and giggles, they have the Bite Beauty Road Trip limited edition lipsticks in what is it? Bite of NYC Big Apple Red. Just because I'm from the Big Apple, I want it. Next, there is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. Do I need this? No. Do I want it? Would it be nice to have it and use it? Yes, babe. Let me see the ingredients. Okay, I can have it. No beeswax. I went in the shade Sugar because I think it's such a pretty, like, everyday shade. Tati really likes them. Do I need it? No. But I want it. I do. Also from Marc Jacobs, the Extra Velvet Noir and Primer Duo. Kathleen really likes the primer, and I don't know if she likes the Velvet Noir mascara, but I know she likes the primer, and I think it would be a cute duo to have. I really want to try it out. I think it would be really nice. I don't think I've tried that mascara before. Okay, last but not least, the Too Faced Damn Girl 24-hour mascara. I have this in a travel size, or like a trial size. Got it from Macy's for free with an order, and I fell in love. I'm in love with it. It gives me volume, it gives me length, kind of curls, and it stays beautiful all day long. It doesn't get flaky, crusty, crazy. I really love that mascara. I don't really like Better Than Sex whatsoever. Also, if you have a TJ Maxx near you, I've seen Better Than Sex waterproof for like $12 at TJ Maxx. So check that out if you want to. But yeah, I don't really like Better Than Sex. I feel like the wand is way too clunky, and my eyelashes get very clumpy and they stick together a lot. I don't like it. It's not my cup of tea. I know it's a favorite for a lot of people, but it's not for me. Again, I have the kind of lashes where they're long, very long, but they're thin and I don't have a lot of them. So I need mascaras that give me thickness, volume, and curl, I guess, because my lashes could use a good curling. But yeah, those are all the products in my Sephora wish list. Again, for my family watching, because I know my brother and his wife, they watching. Because they watch all my videos. Thank you so much. But I know you're watching, and if you ever had any questions on what I wanted, you don't even need to ask. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what's in your Sephora wish list. These are just things you dream of having. And also like Tati Beauty, I need Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson. I need, like, I'm saving for that. I need that. You don't understand. Okay. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Sunday. Hopefully, pray for me that works out. Yeah, if you like this video, if you like me, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter. I'll link all my social media down below. I'll link my Mercari down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. Glow, no, this. I'm doing ABH, bitch. Catherine. Also from Ulta. Then lastly, but certainly not leastly. No, whatever. Thank you so much for watching.